Kjell in Denmark. Today I'm gonna make some new jaws for my Vise. I find a piece of copper here, and I saw Mr. Tom Lipton's very nice jaws for his, so I think I'll make some new ones for mine too. Now I'll cut a pair of pieces off here and mill them and mark the holes. A little machining on copper. Very nice material to work with. It looks nice. Maybe it's tough to work, drill holes and so, but that's what I'm doing later. I'll have a little groove, V block, like here. So I have to tilt my head on the mill to 45 degrees. This one is 0 now. You probably can't see it, but it is. Now I'll tilt it, if I can. Should be able to go back to 0 again. No. $40, $43. I'll have a hammer. 44.9. There. How about my and I have a scribe line 10 millimeters from the end, so that I can go beside the holes in the jaw. Now I made the V groove in both jaws. Maybe I shouldn't have made it in both of them, but now I made two. One over here through 2.5 millimeter, and one here 1 millimeter, and that'll do it, I think. And now I've changed the tilt on the milling head with this angle, what do we call it? I don't know. And I set it back to 0, and then I'll check tomorrow. I'll check with my double boost approved brake disc if it's back to alignment again. Haha! New jaws for the Vise. Okay. okay. They are a little high, but I think time will show I need to file them sometimes. Yeah. Thanks for watching.